Global Research Program is Tsinghua University's flagship international research program, designed to bring talented young researchers from around the world together to learn, explore, and innovate. Throughout the program, students become part of our research community. They work alongside faculty mentors and research teams in laboratories across a wide range of disciplines, gaining hands-on experience while exploring new ideas and perspectives. One of the things that makes GRP unique is the way it combines immersive research with faculty mentors and interdisciplinary learning. Beyond the daily laboratory life, the program also offers cultural activities and exchange events that introduce students to Chinese culture and campus life at Tsinghua. We believe the most meaningful learning comes not only from research itself, but also from the people students meet, the ideas they share, and the experience they learn throughout the program.
Not only because I'm interested in the country of China, but also in the way international research is done.
As you all know, Tsinghua is one of the best universities in the world. I see it like a step forward in my career, and I want to learn from the best.
And experiencing research under the mentor from Tsinghua is a very unique opportunity.
So last year I did a summer research internship with a professor at Imperial College, and he recommended Tsinghua, and I had a look at the program and it seemed really interesting.
What drew me in was that this research program at Tsinghua is genuinely research intensive. Uninterrupted hands-on laboratory work with one-on-one mentorship rather than just coursework, which was exactly the kind of structured immersion that I'm seeking for at this stage. The bigger pull, though, was being able to find a mentor here, whose research brings AI and engineering to bear on clinical problems. So coming from a clinical and methodological background, the chance to bring that into a group with serious computational and AI depth was something I simply couldn't find elsewhere.
I'm really excited to the lab work and the knowledge I'm going to gain, as well as cross-cultural communication.
I want to learn from my professor, interact with the people around here, and how I can collaborate with the rest and exchange ideas with my colleagues and my professor.
What I'm looking forward to in this program is working closely with my team under my mentor on the kind of problem where clinical question genuinely needs a computational approach. I'm keen to learn the computational side rigorously from people who are working at the frontier of it, and to contribute something clinically meaningful by the end.
So I'm most looking forward to meeting new people from an international background.
We'll make plans with them and visit the whole country.
I think it's different visiting China as a tourist rather than living here for, for example, I'm here for 2 months, and so I think you really get a different experience of life here.
I think you should definitely explore the cafeterias in Tsinghua University. There are more than 15 cafeterias covering a wide range of cuisines, from Chinese traditional food to international food.
Learned how to ride a bike, because Tsinghua campus is really huge. This is very, very helpful for you to explore the Tsinghua campus.
I'm really excited about sharing my campus experience, meeting international students from diverse cultural backgrounds, learning their different perspectives, experiences, and cultures.
And I think it is a great opportunity for everyone to meet, communicate, and diversify our campus. The thing that I would like all participants to know is that you should never hesitate to ask for help or any advice or about anything on this campus. Because throughout my years in Tsinghua, I believe that our faculty members, our professors, teachers, and students are all amazing people, and they would love to help with anything that you ask.
We're so happy to have you here.
And I believe you have made a wonderful choice.
I will help you can have a wonderful journey here in Beijing, Tsinghua, and explore different kind of possibilities.
So that I believe this summer will be an unforgettable experience.
Stay curious, be open to new ideas, and take every opportunity to learn. I hope GRP will be an unforgettable chapter in your academic journey and the beginning of many future opportunities. We look forward to continue the collaboration and friendship.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua. Welcome back to Tsinghua in the future.